We're going to a surprise. She doesn't know where we're going. So.
If there's a point to losing love, repeating pain, it's all the same. I hate this place, stuck in this paradigm. Don't believe in paradise. This will speak when hell is like this. Got to be more, sick of this head of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. No fun is not, it's advertised. There's got to be more, been here before.
Happy birthday, Nani! No. Let me see the cake.
I'll give Tubby 6 punches.
Hello, kitty cake. Ooh. We're going to a surprise for Nani because it's her 6th birthday party, right, Visito? We're going to a surprise. She doesn't know where we're going.
I want to roll down, roll down.
Ooh. Say hi to the vlog.
Happy birthday, Lani!
Yes, tell her something that you want to say from Grandma. What is it that you want to say to her?
I'm very proud of you, Ailani. You're gonna be a smart little woman when you grow up. You are already smart as you are. 6 years old. Oh my goodness. Love you, Ailani. Kisses.
Thank you, Grandma. Hey, Nani! What is it that you would like to say to Ailani?
Ailani, happy birthday, baby! I love you, I love you, I love you. What I got for you.
Grandma, look what I got for you.
Alessandra, look.
Yeah.
Yeah, Nani, look what I got for you.
Putting it on her.
Okay.
Oh my God.
The queen
What the hell?
of Hello Kitty.
Wow, that's awesome.
That's so cute. Princess Leia.
That's so cool, Leia. What do you say, Leia?
Thank you.
Thank you. Is there anything you want to say to Ailani?
Happy birthday, Alani.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, creepy crawler.
Creepy crawler. Yep. Thank you. Gabriel, is there anything you'd like to say to Lani?
I love you, Besito. I hope you have a good birthday today. We love you, and hopefully we'll have many more to come.
Yeah. Tubby, is there anything you'd like to say to Nani?
No, but I love you.
Okay, Jen, what do you want to say to Nani for her 6th birthday?
Beautiful.
Yes, happy birthday, beautiful. Hey, mister, what do you want to say, mister? What do you want to say?
Let me get the
What the hell?
Oh, look it. There it goes. There it goes. Hey, Besito, give me some.
Cool. We're gonna go? You need. Okay, say hello to my little friend.
Hello to my little friend right here with some Hot Wheels for all the little boys. Hey, little boy. Over here with me. Hey, Sam, guess what I got for you?
What are you doing?
Oh, my goodness.
Wow!
And ranch too? Okay.
Oh my gosh. Grandma, you already paid it? Hey, smile like a good boy. Good boy.
Okay, can we sing?
I'm gonna fuck you. I knew you were gonna do that.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday, dear Alani. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, good job, Nani. Nah, do it, Leia. Do it. Do it. Wow!
Look, her nose.